In this video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw your Hamster Kombat into your Bybit exchange. So, if you go to your Hamster Kombat mini app, you discover that the withdrawal has actually been activated on it. So, this video is meant to guide you so that you don't make mistake in withdrawing your Hamster Kombat. So, for you to go with this withdrawal, you must have a Bybit account, verified your KYC, and also make sure Bybit is actually enabled in your country. So if you fall in this category and you can actually use Bybit, and inside Bybit you'll be able to withdraw your Hamster Kombat directly into your bank account. So that's the reason why a lot of people are actually using Bybit exchange. Easy access to withdraw to a personal account. So if this meets your actual requirement, you can use Bybit. Then you click on exchange Bybit. When you click, the next question is, do you have an Bybit account? So if you already have an account and your KYC is verified, you can now proceed. I have it. Yes, I have it. So when you click on yes, I have it, you are required to supply the following details: the Bybit UID, then the Hamster Kombat deposit address, then the memo. So I'll proceed now to my Bybit account to teach you how you can actually copy those information and paste it here in preparation for you to receive your Hamster Kombat airdrop. Please make sure you follow every step here so that you don't make mistakes, so that your token will not be sent to a wrong address. So follow me as I go into my Bybit account. So the first thing we need to do here is to copy our Bybit UID. So for you to do that, you come here to copy our UID. You can see from here, this is our UID here. So we are going to copy, then we go back to our Hamster Kombat, then we paste. Then the next thing we copy is our Hamster Kombat deposit address. So this is how to get it done. Go back to our Bybit account. So go to the home page. So from the home page, deposit. So here is deposit. So click on deposit. So from deposit, we are going to select deposit crypto. So select deposit crypto. So we are going to search for Hamster Kombat. So here we click here, then we type HMSTR. So we're going to search. So here we have Hamster Kombat. You can see here. So we're going to select. So here we select the network. It says choose a chain type. So we all know that is Thorn chain. So we're going to type on Thorn chain. Then here there are some useful instructions here that you need to pay attention to. It said Hamster Kombat deposit address, then tag or memo. So please pay attention to that. So the first thing we want to copy is what? Wallet address or deposit address. This is it. So we're going to tap copy. Then we come here, we paste. Please make sure you do the right thing. Then we go back. We are going to copy our memo or tag. So we copy our memo. This is our memo. This is our memo. So we copy. Then we go there. We paste it here. Please make sure you don't make mistake. UID is different, wallet address is different, then your Momo is different. So when you are done, you click on save and shows. Then here, as soon as it's connected, everything is set. Here you will see the notification that everything is status not showing here. So if you've actually connected it here will indicate that it's actually been successfully connected. You get that? So that's the simple one, how to actually get everything done. Then you click on save and shows. You get that? So make sure you follow the process, copy the right thing, and more importantly, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you join our Telegram group, because we'll be guiding you right there from our Telegram group. See you next time for more updates.